lbeats.com.
Hey guys, it's Dan from DK Tuning, and thanks for joining us on episode 13, I think it is, Phil, which we are going to be fitting this amazing coilover kit that you can see in front of me from KW. Now, we are official KW dealers, so if anybody wants lowering springs, coilovers, anything like that they offer, get in contact with us and we can fit them at all of our units, Nottingham, Wolverhampton and Stourport as well. So this kit specifically is the version 3. So we did quite a lot of research into what we actually wanted from the kit. We wanted basically a nice blend of street, sort of fast street and track use as well, but we wanted to keep a really good ride height, a ride quality for it. So the version 3, from all of our research and speaking to KW, is the best kit for this. It is the most expensive in that range. However, as you can see, the quality is just absolutely unreal. So a lot of it is all these sort of like billet aluminium parts and strengthened parts and everything as well. So we've got a lot of adjustable parts on it. So when we do a lot of track days, we can adjust it to our settings, camber adjustment, etc, etc. So as you can see, it comes with all these nice little toolkits and stuff from KW, which is very nice of them. So it's a lovely, lovely kit. We're looking forward to getting it fitted to the Golf R project car behind us, which is looking absolutely filthy at the moment. That's because we've done a lot of miles in it recently, going to Spain. And we're going to go and fit these very shortly on the ramp behind us. So guys, the suspension is all fitted now to the Golf R and we think it's sitting perfectly. Obviously we're going to make some adjustments when we go, we've got a plan in the next week to go for a wide body kit. So that's going to be going on fairly soon. So at the minute it is rubbing on the arches. But if you follow me around, we'll just show you how sort of close it is now. We haven't dropped it too much. As you can see, it is rubbing though because of the alloys that we've put on the T35, I think, so they sit out a lot further, so they are rubbing slightly on the arch. But like I say, we are cutting these arches out, putting a wide body on them. But the suspension's absolutely brilliant. We're driving it now for the last day or two. It's obviously sitting a lot lower on the back as well. And the version 3 coilover kit from KW that we've put on this is absolutely brilliant. We have no real difference in ride sort of stiffness when we're driving on the road, so it's very, very stock like suspension. However, in the corners you can feel how stiff it actually is, so it feels absolutely brilliant. Really in love with it. I think it feels absolutely great. Like I say, it's not like a lot of cheaper coilover kits where they feel really solid, horrible on your back. We've had those before and they're not nice to ride with. So we're very, very impressed with the KW version 3 coilover kit. We can supply and fit that at any of our units as well, on any models that it comes with. So yeah, so it's a great kit, and we're looking forward to adjusting it a bit when we set it up for the track day. But thanks so much for watching this little video around our suspension kit, guys. We will leave this one here today. Please remember to obviously like and subscribe to our channel as well, and we'll catch you soon. Bye.
He's naughty.